Alright boys, we haven't ridden in quite a while now actually. It's been, I think since Thursday. Today's like Monday now, so it's been a good couple of days, you know, I'd say about 4 or 5. And we're heading down to the new shop now. I gotta give you guys a tour of that on the main channel, but yesterday was the first Sunday. They did not give the keys back. So today we're heading down there to go grab the keys, make the insurance payment, do all this and that. They have an appointment at 1. I guess she has a meeting, so we're doing that a little bit afterwards. I figure I'll take you on today's little bit of familiar territory journey and whatnot. Just enjoying the weather. Weather's kind of been like really, really cold at night, cold in the morning, and then decent during the day. So I gotta enjoy what I can before we tear this thing down for the winter time. I want to get a new gas tank and all that bunch of bullshit. So like once all this stuff starts coming off, we're gonna sell what I don't use, and yeah, we'll go from there. You know, keep throwing better and newer parts on it, lighter weight. So ever since I did that last video where we like cut the pegs down and whatnot, I actually never got around to doing anything more or like riding after that. So I'm gonna try to get some like crazier riding done, and then I'll upload that like over winter just for like legality reasons and whatnot. Looks like we got a lane closure here. What the fuck? I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna get down there. I'm really hoping just to be in today. We got some new stuff. I got a desk and a microwave I gotta go pick up later, which we'll take the truck for that. Obviously I'll probably just grab the Dakota. So if you guys need any diesel repair work, we should be opened up by the end of the week. Officially, again, I do have some things that need to get taken care of in the meantime. I got 2 trucks in there getting flipped and then another truck in there getting worked on. So we got 4 trucks total. One's including my own because I need to throw some injectors in it, which I was supposed to do last week. We're still waiting on parts. So it just kind of like, I have the injectors, I just don't have the tubes, but we also need the second set of tubes because a customer truck is also getting injectors. So if you guys are interested in any of the diesel repair stuff, you'll see it on the other channel. More of you guys follow that than this. But they're over here fucking this road up just because that's what they do. Whoever fixed this road prior needs to get punched in the throat. Like, they just did an asinine job. Left it for like 3 or 4 weeks and now they're back fucking shit up again. That's just how they are. So what in the hell? Yeah, they got everything all fucked up. I guess we can't go that way. Brakes seem to be working good today. That's always a good sign. That guy's going that way. Cool. No poppies. No poppies. Yeah, like, part of me's excited to start tearing this thing down, and then the other part of me's just like, I don't really want to, I'm going to miss riding, but like, at the same time, I've just been so busy with everything else. Still need to get this damn bolt fixed. One of my bolts for like the whole rear tail is missing. So, alright, we're gonna wait here. That light should turn green any second now. We're gonna go, or no trespassing. Alright, so yeah, we'll grab the highway. Because like, I don't like sitting through town. For some reason the bike doesn't like it. I don't know if it's just because I forgot to plug my fan in the last time, but it was getting pretty freaking hot. I saw like 235, 236 on coolant, and then it started coming down when I started moving. So really hoping it was just because I didn't plug the fan in. But even with the fan plugged in, it still gets like 225, and I really don't like that. We need to get this thing tuned better. So I should have probably taken the long way, because like, I am way early. It's 12:56 right now. I told her I'd be there at like 1:15. But I don't want to get there so early. I'm kind of just sitting and waiting. I'd like to just kind of get in, get out, you know, make my insurance payment and grab the keys and hopefully get in. If we're in, then I get to go film a video on the other channel. But I'll use this channel to kind of give you some little updates here and there. Watch this guy. Go. Go. God damn old people. That dude's still at it? Oh, that's a different guy. Damn, you got some commitment on that. What the hell? Fucker didn't want to shift. We got the Popo out today. Can't hear shit. All right, we're gonna go around the long way. All right, come on, my boy. Ain't nobody fucking coming. I see another one. Bike's out today. You know what? Maybe I'll get lucky today. I gotta be home by 3, but like maybe I'll get lucky today. Run into another biker. That'd be cool. That was a good one. That's a big divot. Which one's Aldi? Yeah, there it is. It's green, guys. Alright, we here. Yep, she's here. So that's a good sign. We'll see if she's at the meeting. I don't know. Looking forward to this, guys. Big old building right there. Maybe you'll get to see it today. Who knows? Maybe I'll post a little bit of a sneak peek on this channel. Hey, they took the semi from out and up there. I'm gonna come over here. It'll help. There we go. Alright, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright boys, we got bad news. So, freaking B. You guys see that? So, we will not, she said she's going to call me later if he comes in. But we're waiting on the keys to get dropped, which isn't the big deal. We just need confirmation that they're moved out. Yeah, so once we get the confirmation they're moved out, they're going to change the locks. And I asked if they could put a doorknob on that left side, because that would have been perfect as like the main location, because we're right now, the first door is by the big main door, and I don't want customers coming in that way because, I mean, one, it just takes up space, and I think it's unsafe for customers. But like, I want to build like a little office area so that way when customers come in, it's like a little desk or a waiting area or whatnot. So that's kind of my plan. I'm going to look for the wife now and see if she's up here at the grocery store. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. See if I can find the little Dakota that could. Pull out. Come on, do it. I dare you. I'm gonna go through. See if I can find her. I'm gonna go this way. All these nuts. Where's she at? Where's she at? Bet you she's already done. See if I can't. I don't see. Should she go into Aldi's? Oh, there's the Dakota. I sees it. That means she's here. That means... What do you guys think of the Dakota? Isn't that thing sick? That means I'm gonna go and park like a dickhead up at the main building. I was gonna park next to her, but like, I don't want... You guys know me. You guys see that nice little spot right there? I'm going right there. I'm gonna go right there. I'm gonna park right here because I'm a dickhead. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hope this is recording. Let's make sure. Yeah, so boys, broskies, I found her. I found her in the store. I'm gonna go fuck with her. Key wouldn't turn on. I'm gonna go fuck with her. Then I'll be a nice guy and go put her cart back. Holy shit. Hey, that's a turn there. I think she's over here. Oh, it doesn't work. I tried to hit the horn and scare you and it doesn't work. Sure. Alright. Yeah. Love you, bye. I know. So, you have to put a quarter in the cart here. And I gave it to somebody, didn't get the quarter, and I was like, take it. They tried to give me a quarter, and I was like, no, just keep it. Let's see. Look at that beautiful face. She's having a good time. I gotta wash her truck again. You can tell the kids and whatnot. Yes, this is the way to get the highway. I was wrong. What time is it? 1:53. All right, so I got time. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo! All right. All right, so I'm gonna put all that driving that y'all did not just see there. I'm gonna put that in the in another video because I don't feel like putting it in this one because it wasn't me riding. There's some other douchebag. Are we gonna get the green? No turn on red. This thing's gonna overheat like a whore. I don't think that's a cop. That's a bicycle. E-bicycle. I haven't seen any other bikers. I haven't seen any other bikers around. Guy's going slow as shit. Alright, so you guys gotta be smart and vigilant in these areas. Oh my god, everybody's fucking turning.